Good morning. I realized that I haven't started my vlog yet. Oops. Are you eating your spinach? Oh, you dropped it. Spinach. Spinach for the baby. Yeah, spinach for the baby. Are you gonna try this? Oh, what do you think? Oh, look at you. Look at you guys eating your greens.
They're acting like it's a treat.
Look at that.
They're going crazy.
Oh. Good morning, Bob. Are you gonna take a walk? There he goes. You can do it.
You can do it.
You can fly.
Come here.
Flutter.
Good boy.
You still doing good, Bob? Taking a walk, taking a walk.
Paula found the spinach. It's your treat.
Look at him go. I think turning the music on, like, sped him up.
You can my fingers.
Are you eating your salad? You've got a tomato on your chin.
His head?
On his chin. Tomato beard. Oh, yes.
Is it just me?
Julian is
Or is
trying
he-
to have his breakfast and work on his school. And he's like, I want to be on his shoulder. All right, Ethan and I are off on a baseball card / gluten-free adventure. Right? Is that correct?
Yeah, we're not looking for baseball cards.
We're not looking for baseball cards. He has a couple that he thinks they might want.
Well, I know they'll probably want these. I don't know about this one.
So he's gonna try to do some wheeling and dealing. So
I sold 2 of the 3. I got to keep the Cubs one, so I'm happy about that. I got $30.
he
good.
sold 2 the cards that he sold. He didn't even care.
Yeah, this one I do care about, but I mean, I have another of one of his autographs on a baseball, but
Yeah.
it was the one I really kind of liked. But I didn't really care if I would have sold it. But
That's
I sold the ones that I wanted
really
to sell.
cool. You even sold one that wasn't autographed.
Yeah, I sold one that wasn't autographed, but he's just a really good rookie.
We came for cereal.
Well, I knew we were gonna get other. I knew we needed other stuff.
We always get more than we come for because we're like, oh yeah, we need this. Oh yeah, we need that. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we've gotten the gluten-free mother load at Rise and Roll,
And
baby.
they have really good prices too.
Yes, yes, we will be back. I have not vlogged for several hours, I don't think. Mom and I have been out and about. We got the car washed. We went to Goodwill and have a huge haul of self-tape clothing and other nondescript clothing for upcoming film projects. Yes, there is a project coming. And now we are waiting for our smoothies at Culver's.
Yeah, we worked hard, so now this is our reward.
Yeah. That's my phone case. That's my phone case. This music is kind of all over the place. I think we're gonna have to turn it off. Okay, Bubba is very noisy. He's flying to you, not just fluttering. That's so good. final clip. Okay. It is late. I am tired. And, but tomorrow, Julian and Mom and I are gonna head north of the city and we're gonna see Pippin. And I'm very excited to see that. I'm excited for Julian to see that. It's gonna be fun. And from what I hear, it's an amazing show. So I'm very much looking forward to it. But right now I need to get sleep so I can get up and take Ethan to tend to the animals. So until tomorrow.